When you're putting your project together, it's important to give your future self a good heads up with clip types. One of the best ways to do this is colour coding your clips, but you may find that those label colours and names just aren't that memorable. If that's the case, then you can change these to more custom versions. So straight out of the gate, you'll be able to see which clips are your drone clips, or which ones are your A-cam interview clips, and which are your B-cam ones. To do this, open up your preferences, then general, then select the labels tab, and start switching out your colour and label names for something that works a little better for you. As discussed in the main video for this section, you want to make those changes in the master Premiere file that you've created, so they stay consistent with your future projects. I hope this tip helps you stay on top of your edit. For more Premiere tips, make sure you check out the rest of the series with Wex Photo Video.